Hello, my beautiful and happy viewer. You are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Man Fit TV. When it comes to personifying the ultimate combination of elegance and physical fitness, there is no one quite like the attractive gentleman from New York. With his stunning appearance and perfectly groomed mustache, he executes a captivating charm that enhances everyone around him. His commitment to staying fit is evident in his impressive physique, a testament to his self discipline and hard work. Whether he is dressed in the latest fashion or opting for a more casual attire, his sense of fashion is always on point, establishing him as a true trend master. This remarkable individual is not only about looks, his self-assurance and charm make him stand out in any gathering. So his name is Mr. Kit Carbo. See you another next video, dear viewer. Okay, take care of yourself and bye bye.